We're going to look at this option here, the description. Now this can be found under the insert HTML. So if you click on the description and this then pops up asking you for a description, this is a description of a website. So this is Adventureland. We are an adventure company in Wales. Lovely. Okay, now as you can see, I've put that in, but you won't actually see it anywhere until we go into split view. And then when you go into split view, you will be able to see it in the metadata here at the top, which is there. Now, ideally, if you are going to use something like this, you should have put it on your template page before you put it into the various different pages on your website. But you could potentially use this to add a different description on each individual page, depending on what you want to do. The only way you'll know it's typically there is when you look at the metadata inside, or if you go into the split or code view, and you'll be able to see it there. So that's how you'd add the description into your site.